Home equity is a tool that customers can use to access the liquidity in their home, really for whatever they need it to be, whether that's a college expense, a home improvement, or anything else.
You can, in turn, take that money out in the form of a home equity line of credit and use it for your own benefit. You can buy a new car, you can pay your kids' education, you can have an emergency fund. So this way you don't have to worry about having a lot of liquid cash on the side by having access to that equity that you have in your house.
Well, yeah, everybody wants a new kitchen, maybe a new swimming pool, hot tub. Actually, you can actually use it for your college, your son's or your daughter's college education.
We really focus on a relationship with our clients instead of the one single transaction. Those clients will be buying within the next 5 years. They might have family members that need to buy or to refinance within the next few months.
Simply put, if you have your home equity line of credit with us, and similar to other products and services, you're less apt to leave.
I have a customer that I've been helping on a few different refinances and failed to ask the question of whether they needed some additional liquidity. One time I called them when rates dropped again, and they said, well, really, we don't want to do anything right now because we're about to start a big landscaping project that's going to run into the tens of thousands of dollars. I turned that around and was able to present a home equity to them as a perfect option for them. So rather than using the money in their checking and savings accounts, they could use the equity in their home to help fund that project. They were very happy, and they're a customer for life now.
I never forget the first couple that I met when I first started working. When they came in to open a checking account, I mentioned the home equity line of credit, said there's something that they didn't need. I suggested it again. They said, okay, fine, we'll get it. I said, it doesn't cost you anything. If anything, it's only $50 a year, depending on your type of a checking account. And they had a fire. And because they had that home equity line of credit, they were able to get themselves in a hotel, get things paid for, and not having to put that on a credit card, and not having to touch your college education fund or your 401k. It's nice to know that it's there.
We just had a recent example of a mortgage banker where a car broke down for a client probably 3 weeks after our closing. They were really not in the need of a home equity when we were doing the refinance process, but we got a great email and a phone call from our client thanking our mortgage banker. I'm like, you know what, I never thought I would use that home equity product. My car just broke down and I was able to purchase a new one without really worrying about getting a car loan.
So my own parents, helping them finance college. I'm the oldest of 6, and I financed my college by joining the military. My parents purchased their home in the 80s for cash and over time built equity in it, and I talked to them about the benefits of having a line of credit and being able to send the rest of the girls through school without getting them stuck in a student loan they couldn't ever repay. So.
We've set up a business model that involves coaching, leadership coming from the partners, the lending team. So they're always in our cubicles coaching our bankers, and our bankers are extremely receptive to that, and they're learning a lot. And then it creates this circle of business flow.
My relationship with the bankers and other partners at the branch has been key to my success at Chase as a mortgage banker. Oftentimes they see a lot more customers than I do. So for them to be able to profile those customers and send those customers to me so I can help them really is the lifeblood of my business.
The home equity process has helped me work with my other partners in the way that I've learned products that they offer. So when I'm having a discussion with my client, I can easily, in my mind, decide which one is going to be the best for them.
We have home equity tip sheets and trainings online that'll help us educate ourselves about the process and maybe just give us a refresher on that. And that does give me the confidence to be able to talk about that with customers and with our branch partners so that everyone's aware of how the process works from start to finish.
And one thing that I love so much about working for Chase is we always set our team up for success.
We just finished listening to our colleagues share their best practices and successes with home equity. So let's listen to our customers and not miss out on this great opportunity.